Hello, I hope you are fine. Well, there are few CSS libraries like Bootstrap, React Bootstrap, etc. Look at the downloads in the past 6 months. Bootstrap is leading. Basically, Bootstrap is a CSS library which gives our application a modern look. To install Bootstrap, we need to go to the Visual Studio Code terminal and run the command npm I for install Bootstrap. Okay, run this command. So Bootstrap has been installed. Now we need to import this to index.js. Import Bootstrap dist, then CSS, then Bootstrap dot css. Save the changes. Well, this is our Hello World React component without Bootstrap. Let's design it using Bootstrap. We are going to add Bootstrap classes to our HTML tags. Class name is equal to bg primary. To change the background color, the second one is text center. Save the changes, then go to the browser and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. For more video lectures, please subscribe to this channel.